To pay with a Visa gift card on Shein. Start by logging into your Shein account or creating a new one if you do not have an existing account. Once you have logged in, browse through the website and add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the shopping cart icon and then click on the checkout button. You will be directed to the payment page where you can select your payment method. Click on the credit or debit card option and then select Visa as your card type. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. The security code is a 3-digit number located on the back of the card. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any errors. If your Visa gift card has a zip code associated with it, you may be prompted to enter the zip code as well. This is a security measure to verify the card. Once you have entered all the required information, click on the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Shein once the payment has been processed successfully. It is essential to note that Shein may not accept Visa gift cards that have been purchased outside of your country or region. Additionally, some Visa gift cards may have restrictions on online transactions, so it is crucial to check the terms and conditions of your card before attempting to make a purchase. To avoid any issues with your payment, ensure that your Visa gift card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of your purchase, including any shipping fees or taxes. You can check the balance of your Visa gift card by visiting the website of the card issuer or by contacting their customer service. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully pay with your Visa gift card on Shein. If you encounter any issues during the payment process, you can contact Shein customer service for assistance.